Hello friends, my name is Aishi and today I am going to tell you how to make no-bake stuffed Oreo chocolate balls. Sound excited now? So let's get started. First separate Oreo cream from Oreo biscuit like this and keep it in a bowl. Then repeat it again. So now I'm done with the biscuits. Now grind these biscuits. Till then, keep the cream in the fridge. So our Oreo biscuit powder is ready. Now we have to make a dough out of it. Like this. First we will take a spoon. Then we will take some milk. And some chocolate syrup. Now we have to make a dough out of it. So now friends, our dough is ready. Now we have to divide this dough into 4 to 5 equal parts like this. Now roll it into balls like this. Friends, our chocolate balls are ready. Now you remember that we kept the cream in the fridge. Now take out that cream and make a dough out of it again. So friends, this is the cream. Now I'm making a dough out of it like this, rolling. Now divide the cream into 5 equal parts. Like this, much small because we have to stuff it. Now we have to stuff these cream balls in these Oreo balls. Like this. First we will flat it. And then we will make a ball of the cream dough. And then we will place it here. And then we will close it as we do for aloo paratha, my favorite. And now don't do it like this. The cream and the biscuit dough will mix, so just make a circle out of it. So my Oreo stuffed balls are ready. Now we have to do the coating. Friends, the most important thing, grease the plate with ghee or oil so that the balls didn't stick to the plate. Now we will do the coating and we will take the ball, place it here and then we will dip it like this. Don't do it hard. Now we will take out it softly, very softly. We will place it here. So friends, now I have coated the balls. Now I will keep these balls in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes. So friends, our yummy frosted balls are ready. Before a long time of 10 minutes. So friends, now I will decorate it. It's not necessary to decorate, but I will decorate it so it looks more yummy with sprinkles like this. Wow, what a yummy! Let me check how it looks from inside. See friends, how it looks. See the cream here. And it looks yummy. And I want to eat it now. So friends, I hope you like the recipe. Bye for now. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.